Hello everyone. How are you doing? I hope you are okay. I want to ask, do you like coniferous trees? In this video, I want to show an unusual plant that resembles coniferous bushes and coniferous trees. Do you recognize it? Look how beautiful it is. The name Euphorbia Myrtle is an evergreen succulent perennial plant with spreading stems of blue-green leaves that are folded into tight spirals. Myrtle spurge develops rapidly during the spring months and produces attractive 4-inch wide clusters of star-shaped yellow-green flowers in a collar of greenish-yellow to bright yellow bracts. Sometimes these flowers have a pink tint. This plant can be both a great garden decoration and a terrible pest. It all depends on where you live. In the UK, Myrtle Euphorbia has been awarded an award by the Royal Horticultural Society. However, in some western US states, Myrtle Spurge is a noxious weed not worth growing. Usually, the width of an adult bush of this plant is up to 18 inches or 45 centimeters. The height of an adult plant is 4 to 6 inches or 10 to 15 centimeters. Euphorbia cuttings are prepared from chopped stems. I will treat the cuts with a rooting agent. Then the cuttings are placed in a moist mixture of nutrient soil with sand. I plant this plant in full sun and dry, well-drained soils. Myrtle Euphorbia will perfectly complement flower beds, borders, at paneria, or a Mediterranean garden. This is a spreading ground cover border plant. Use beautiful bushes of myrtle euphorbia in mixed plantings and earthenware terracotta pots. Such flower arrangements will always look interesting because of their blue foliage. Euphorbia sows its seeds, so after the flowers wither, old stems should be cut back to the base to prevent resowing and have compact and neat bushes. The best growing zones are hardiness zones 5 to 8. Euphorbia myrtle is a succulent that looks great in spring and early summer. The best soils for this plant are neutral and well-drained. I hope the video was helpful and interesting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. See you soon.